Hi, my name is Jordan Kuveke-Guyton, and I'm the Managing Disability Attorney here at Chad Bar Law. One of the practice areas that we focus on is Social Security disability benefits. There are two primary benefits that we help people obtain when they come to our office. That is Supplemental Security Income, or commonly known as SSI, which is a need-based benefit that is based off of people who are disabled because of their medical conditions, not having the income and resources available to them that then need disability benefits. The other primary benefit that we focus on is Social Security Disability Insurance, or commonly known as SSDI. SSDI is the idea that you are not able to work for at least 12 months because of disabling medical conditions, just like SSI, except you have to have the required work credits to qualify. And if you don't have the required work credits, you're not eligible for those benefits. Here at Chad Bar Law, we first started practicing VA disability, and through that, we realized that we could serve more people in our community, more veterans, and more people with disabling medical conditions by also handling Social Security disability. So if you're preparing for a hearing or filing for Social Security disability benefits for the first time, visit us at our website or call us at the number below to discuss your case further.